Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to make a semolina sweet. Heat a pan and add some clarified butter. Add cashews and fry the cashews till it becomes golden. Add raisins. If raisins bubbled up, add 100 grams of semolina and roast it. For 100 grams of semolina, add 1 liter milk. Take full fat milk. Add 2 crushed cardamom pods. You can also add cardamom powder. Bring the milk to boil. Semolina is half cooked. Then add 200 grams of sugar. You can also add sugar as per your taste level. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Condensed milk is totally optional. You can also skip. Add pinch of salt. In sweet recipe, if you add salt, it enhances the sweetness. Turn up the heat. Now the semolina sweet is getting thicker. Now the semolina sweet, which is suji ka kheer, the firni is ready. You can also add brown sugar instead of white sugar. If you are craving for a sweet, do try this recipe at your home. For written recipe, check in the description box and in the comment section.